Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to hide layer below specific width in slider evolution plugin in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in slider. Now you can select layer according to your requirement. So we select this layer. Now click on it. Then on left side you see layer option and then you see visibility. So click on it. So we select this layer and then you see visibility. If you want, you can disable this option, but we are going to hide under width. Enable this option. Now you see hide under width. Now on top you see general option, so click on it and then you see general settings, so click on it and then scroll down. Now you see hide under browser width, slider mark layer. So we mark this layer, we enable this option. Now select width. So we added 800 pixel in mark layer setting. So this layer hide below this width. So this setting apply for all layer we mark in visibility section. So you can add width according to your requirement and then click on save. So this layer hide under 800 pixel width. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.